Hello everyone, welcome to our Shiroverse, your gateway to exploring and owning your dream cars. We are Irshad and Fatma Firdaus, the co-founders of this exciting new website that caters to all your car needs. Our platform is designed with three distinct roles: guest, user, and admin. The role which I am showing you on this screen, this is a role of guest. A guest is a visitor to our website who can browse through card listing but has no authority to add item to the cart. If a guest attempt to add an item to the cart or view detailed card information, they will be prompted to log in. Here are some tabs which you can see. This is our home page, a beautiful slider, and here is a detail. If you want to find any car, then you have to fill this form and find car. Here are some cars. If you want to know about us, then you can see here. Here are some blogs. If you want to read more about it, then you can. As I told you, if a guest attempt to get detailed car information, then they will be prompted to the login page. So here is a login page, but if you are a guest and you haven't logged in before, then firstly you have to sign up here. After a successful sign up, you have to log in here and you will enter in the new role, which role is the role of user. Once a guest sign up, they transition to the user role. User can view car models, explore categories, add cars to their cart, and make purchases through the checkout process. Here you can see cars, blogs, categories with a beautiful slider, brands, and if you wanna add and if you want to get detail of any car, then click on detail. It will redirect you to the complete detail page. Here you can see the complete detail of a car. Is a beautiful car image section. Here you can see the model name, price, its description, and you can add to cart. If you want to increase the quantity of the cart, then you can. Here is a customer review section. You can write here any comment. If you want, you can rate us. And here you see the beautiful detail page. If I want to add this add to cart and I want to see my cart, then look here. Here is a beautiful UI. You can see here I have add this item in the cart, and if I want to do the checkout process, here you can see the complete order detail page. You have to fill this form. After filling this form, you can place your order and you will get your email. Here you see the after the successful order, the card become empty. Now if you want to log out, then you can. If I log in as an admin, so the admin role holds complete management capabilities. Admin can oversee inventory, manage sales, and ensure the smooth functionality of the platform. Here is a complete admin panel in which this is a home page with a beautiful and attractive UI. Here is a categories list, all the category present over here. You can do any type of CRUD operation, like if you want to add any type of category, then you have to write here the category name. Choose any file which you want. Like I want to add this image, then I have to submit it. Let's see what happened. Here you can see the new car is added here. If I want to delete, then I can. Here you can see the brand list. You can do here the complete CRUD operation. You can add brand, delete it or edit it. Here are some products list and which all the detail present over here. You can also do the CRUD operation here. Here are all the cars with beautiful UI and beautiful cards. Now you can easily sign out and move to the guest page. So the technologies we used in our Archie Rover website. As a front end, we use React for dynamic UI rendering, Bootstrap for responsive and visually appealing design, CSS for our styling and layout, JavaScript for interactive elements. For the backend, we use here Express.js as a server framework, Node.js for the server-side scripting, and MongoDB for the database in which we are storing user information, car data, and orders. So, Rover offer a powerful platform for exploring, selecting, and owning your dream cars. Our Mern Stack project leverages the latest technologies in front-end and back-end development, ensuring a seamless user experience. We take pride in providing a comprehensive point-of-sale solution supported by our commitment to quality and exceptional customer service. Thank you for investing your valuable time to visit Archie Rovers. We are eager to receive your valuable input and assistance for our project. Your support means a lot to us.